As per your requirement, today I am going to discuss the learning disability among the learners. Before proceeding further, I would like to discuss need to understand the learning disability among the learners. In teaching learning environment, all the learners need love, encouragement, involvement, emotional support for learning new concept more effectively. Students who are dealing with a learning disability need positive reinforcement which develops strong sense of self-worth, confidence, and determination among them. In order to help the students dealing with the learning disability, provide some suitable methods so that they learn themselves and not become dependent upon you. Your job as a teacher not to cure the learning disability, but you have to give social, emotional support to the learner so that they deal with the difficulty in effective way. In this lecture, we try to learn and develop the concept of learning disability, types of learning disabilities, how to work with students having learning disabilities, what are the possible accommodations for students having learning disability, and what are the causes of learning disability. The term learning disability was founded in 1963 by Samuel A. Kirk. At that time, students with learning difficulty were referred as perceptual handicap, brain injured, or neurological impaired. A learning disorder is an information processing problem that stops learners from learning skills and using it effectively. This affects the learner's intelligence level. As a result, it creates gap between expected skills and the acquired skills. So the learning disability is a problem that affects how persons receive and process information. Definition of learning disabilities. A learning disability is a term to denote neurologically handicap that interferes with person's ability to receive, process, store, and retrieve information. Learning disability refers to a number of disorders which may affect acquisition, organization, retention, understanding, use of verbal and non-verbal informations. We can say that learning disorder is an information processing problem that prevents a person from learning a skill and using it effectively. Now we are going to discuss types of learning disability and we will try to discuss one by one. Dyslexia. Dyslexia is a most common disorder among the learning disability disorders. It is generally known as reading disability. So dyslexia is referred as a specific reading problem or facing problem in reading comprehension. Sometimes it is called word blindness as the student has acute difficulty in comprehending written passages. In this, student face problem in reading at a constant speed. They omit words while reading, face problem in what they are reading, facing problem in recalling what they are reading, spelling problems, and they develop vocabulary at a lower rate. Dysgraphia. Dysgraphia is generally a refer to a person's disability to form letter or write within the defined space. It is a neurologically based writing disability in which person has an acute difficulty to express his thoughts in inks. The term dysgraphia refers to those learners who are facing problems in writing. They face problem in they are very slow in writing. They have poor handwriting. They face difficulty putting thoughts into writing or on the paper, writing text organized not properly, face problem in spellings. Dyscalculia. Dyscalculia is a mathematical disorder in which an individual has faced difficulty in solving arithmetic problems, face problem in mathematical concepts formation. The term dyscalculia refers to those who struggle with a basic number system and mathematical calculations. These type of learners face difficulty in understanding how a number system works, face problem in calculation, difficulty in memorizing the basic concept of arithmetic, face the difficulty in memorizing or understanding the mathematical symbols, inability to handle cash transactions or money transactions, difficulty in reading map, face problem in organizing and recording information, poor sense of direction and a time. Dyspraxia. Dyspraxia. A person with a dyspraxia has a problem with movement, coordination, judgment, processing, memory, and some other cognitive skills. Dyspraxia also affects the body's immune and nerve system. It is also known as motor learning difficulty disorder or developmental coordination disorder. In this, learner face a difficulty in coordination problem, face problem in balance and movement, face problem in learning new skills, face problem in writing, typing, drawing, and holding small things, poor in dealing with emotions, poor in time management, planning for personal and organizational point of view. Dysphasia or aphasia. Dysphasia or aphasia is a complex language and communication disorder due to the damage in a language center of a brain. It may be caused by stroke, head injury, brain tumor, or neurological illness. There is a little difference between dysphasia and aphasia. Aphasia is a medical term for a full loss of language, while dysphasia stands for a partial loss of language. These type of learners face problem in spoken, not able to understand speech properly. They face problem in reading, writing, face problem with numbers, face problem in telling the time. They are not able to define time properly. Auditory processing disorder. The auditory processing disorder is a disorder of hearing system that cause a disturbance in the way that the individual's brain understand what they are hearing. In this, learner face difficulty in hearing. They are not able to differentiate between the two similar sounds. They face problem in reading, comprehension, and a language. Visual processing disorder. Visual processing disorder occur when the brain creates trouble making senses of the visual input it receives. They face problem in remembering phone numbers, face problem in direction. These type of learners face difficulty in interpreting visual information, visual information, and reading maps and charts, symbols, and pictures. Next is ADHD, that is attention deficient hyperactive disorders. ADHD is a disorder that makes it difficult for a person to pay attention and control impulsive behavior. These type of learners are not able to control their impulsive behaviors. These type of learners face problem like they remain restless, remain constantly active, they may act without thinking without what is the result, overactive, they don't pay attention and make a careless mistakes, they are easily distracted, don't follow the directions, don't appear to be listening, they forget about the daily activities. These are the basic 8 type of learning disabilities. Now I'm going to discuss the causes of learning disability among the learners. These are the causes of learning disability among the learners. We will discuss one by one. Number one, that is a family history and genetics. A family history of learning disorder increase the risk in the development of child. They affect the learning pattern of the students. Second, that is a prenatal and neonatal risk. Poor growth in the uterus, use of alcohol or drugs before being born by mother, premature birth, a very low birth weight at the time of birth. Psychologically trauma. Psychologically trauma or abuse in a childhood may affect the brain development and increase the risk of learning disorders. Physically trauma. Head injuries, nerve system infections might play a role in the development of learning disorder. And last, that is very important, that is the environment. Pollution, explosion of high level of toxins such as lead may lead to increase the risk of learning disorder among the learners. Hope you all enjoy the lesson. Thanks for your cooperation.